Basic pattern for beginner part of cross online on Udemy. Runt and tie shirt basic pattern making and sewing. First, measure 10 centimeters from the header. Neckline. Length of front waist equals measured from center neck to waist. Draw a waistline. Neckline. Waistline. High bust line equals the intersection of the high bust line apart. High bust line. Bust point distance. Bust high. Split in half high bust point distance. Divide the bust point distance half, then take the number of numbers measured from the center line. Draw a line the bust point distance.
นี่คือเส้นอกค่ะ
High bust equals place the tape measure on the neck button. Read the value at the top of the bust. Highest point.
เล็งจุดที่สูงที่สุดของยอดเป็นยอดอก
Center button neck. Bust point distance. High bust height plus 2 centimeters. Place the tape measure at the neck button. Mark the point on the bust. Point of intersection equals bust line. Y plus 2 cm. Because the pattern scales will be closed, resulting in the shirt's waist floating up. Therefore must be plus 2 cm to prevent waistline. High bust line. Measure the distance from the neck bust line.